Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a bar chart on your Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a bar chart on the Canva, just going to show in this video. So for that, you just need to go to the elements first. Then here we can just type as chart, or you can just directly type as bar chart. So just type as bar chart. You can find this quick add option here. Just click this, which will add the bar chart here. Now you have option to edit. Click on the edit option. So here this is the setting where you can just customize this chart. Like you can just turn off the legends, or you can just turn on the legends, show label or not, or show the girl lines if you just need it or not, like that. And you can also swap the rows and columns like this if you just need it. And also if you just need to edit the data, you have this option, all the option of this chart on the top. Click on the data option here. You can just adjust, you can just add more data. For an example here, 55 and 100 and 50. So you can see the changes on the chart directly here. You can just add more data or more series here, and also you can just clear the data if you just need it. And in data section you can find the labels. You can just see how you can just change the series like that, and also the values and the things you just need to edit. You can just search here. If you just need to open the data in Google Sheet, you can just open it directly or upload your own data if you just need to have the data, or you can just expand data table. Just click this and which will open the data. So here you can just clearly see how to add the values. And in the top you can find the color of the things. You can just change the color, like a yellow or a red color or a blue color, whatever the color you just need. It's simple to edit like this. And also you can have the columns line spacing, you can just adjust it, and also the curve roundness also can be easily customized like this. And also the font and the font size, colors, everything has been customizable. So it's so simple to create a chart in this, and you can just download it as an image to use in any PowerPoint or anything on the data you just needed. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.